Static in the walls, I've learned to call it silence. Building something real out of borrowed defiance. Every room in this house got a different kind of weather. I walk through the storm like I'm made of leather. But cracks don't announce themselves, they just spread. Quiet in the hallway, loud inside my head. Stack the skills like bricks, trying to build a name. Half of it for freedom, half of it for shame. 10 roads at once and I'm sprinting on all of them. Calling it a mission, but really I'm running. I got letters never mailed and a name never said. Living in the space between the heart and the head. Call it ash, call it fire, call it unfinished art. I'm still standing on the wreckage, still building from the start. 3 years and the silence still speaks like it's fluent. Ghost of a girl in the ink, so persistent. I write what I'd say if the fear ever left. Fold it, forget it, take another breath. They see the hustle, they don't see the cost. Counting up the wins, ignoring what I lost. Sleep's a stranger now, appetite's the same. Peace is the one thing that don't answer to my name. I got letters never mailed and a name never said. Living in the space between the heart and the head. Call it ash, call it fire, call it unfinished art. I'm still standing on the wreckage, still building from the start. Mirror's been lying, I stopped asking it why. Found myself somewhere between the truth and the sky. Not broken, just building one plank at a time. Every scar's a sentence in a story that's mine. Ash, don't forget it was fire before. Neither do I, still walking toward the door.